Hey guys, Liv from Blackpool Honda here, and here we have our CRV SR. Of course, this car is finished in our modern steel colour, which in my opinion is absolutely stunning. With this SR, it does come with these 18-inch diamond cut alloys. Of course, this car has been a former lease vehicle at Honda UK at our Swindon plant, meaning that this car has been very well looked after. I'll go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they're all in. Of course, moving around, we do have rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. And of course, on the right hand side of the boot now, you can see that this is an all-wheel drive model. These cars are very hard to come by at this moment in time. Of course, in the boot we do have plenty of room. The boot floor does swoop down to have 2 levels. We have your privacy shelf here, which does just pull out and clamp in like so. Of course, you rewind that back in, lift it up slightly, and it will clamp in place there. Of course, these levers here do help you in the fact that it will fold the seats down, as you can see now. Let's give it a moment. There you go, you can see that that lever does release the seat lock, just so the seat will fold down. Of course, we also have the boot floor, which does come up a level to mean that you have everything folds flat and is in line and there is no lumps. We have your 12-volt power outlet just down below here. Of course, moving around again to the side of the vehicle, showing you the rear alloy just here. Of course, now moving into the rear of the vehicle, you can see that the seats do fold flat with that boot, just like so. And you can just simply lift the seat up and it will clamp in place. Of course, one of the main benefits of this vehicle is that the seat does have 2 levels. So you're either sat up or reclined back. We have isofix mounting points and full leather seats. We do also have automatic rear windows. All windows are electric and automatic. Of course, these 3 lumps on the door handle mean that this car is keyless. We have all controls for the windows here, window lock, central locking, and of course electric adjustment for the wing mirrors. We have a heated element in the windscreen, collision diversion system, lane assist, parking sensors, and traction control. And of course, as this car is keyless, your engine start stop button is there. Moving inside the vehicle now, showing you the electric handbrake with brake hold. Your automatic gearbox is just there, and of course econ button is there. We've got dual climate control with heated seats, and of course when you go into reverse, you can see the reverse camera just here. On this touchscreen display, we do have satellite navigation. We have all your sources for your audio. And of course, we do have Bluetooth hands-free, all of which is controlled on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. Stereo, station, and source is by here. Volume there. This little round button just here controls your onboard computer, as you can see there. And of course, the 3 at the bottom controls your Bluetooth hands-free. Your speed limiter and cruise control is set there. We have automatic headlights on your indicator stalk there, and of course automatic windscreen wipers on your indicator stalk. And with this car being a lease vehicle, you can see that this has only done 4,041 miles. Moving back outside the vehicle again, showing you the last remaining alloy. Of course, this car does have LED daytime running lights and the chrome grille on the front. And of course, if you have any more information that you require, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.